I'm Grumpy, and welcome to another episode of Grumpy's Outlaw Kitchen, where today we're doing stuffed bell peppers, aka bell peppers Duxelles. Alright, now today we're going to need a few things. We're going to need a little rainbow bell peppers, which are your red, yellow, and orange bell peppers, one white onion, white mushrooms. I'm going to be using a parmesan regatta cheese and a Vermont white aged cheddar. And then of course salt and pepper. So let's go ahead and get into it. What we did here, we have our white mushroom diced. We have our white onion diced up, ready to go. And then we went ahead and sliced our cheese up as well. Or shredded it anyway, excuse me. And what we're gonna do now is go ahead and cut the caps off our bell peppers and clean them out. That way we're ready to go. And we'll move on to sauteing. So what you wanna do for your bell peppers is you wanna take them to the side, bring the back of your knife down, boom, just like that. And you wanna see that white part right there, you wanna go ahead and cut that right out so that it looks like that, nice and hollow. We're gonna do that with the other two. Just like that. One. That way we have nice hollow insides for our stuff to go into. And you always wanna make sure you're careful when you're knife so you don't cut yourself. I know it doesn't look like I'm being safe, but I'm trying to be the best of my ability. And once we're done, we have completely hollow bell pepper just like that, ready for filling. All right, so we got our butter in here. We're gonna add our mushrooms, nice and easy like that. And then we're gonna go ahead and add our onions, just like that. Now I'm gonna grab a spatula so we can work everything down nice and easy. And what we're gonna do here, we got a little salt and pepper. Right now we're using the green peppercorn. And of course our pink Himalayan salt. We're gonna reduce this down into our onion, or to like a nice clear color, and our mushrooms a little bit brown. Once they're nice and brown, we'll be able to put them in our bell peppers and go ahead and put them in the oven and bake them up. You see that our mushrooms and onions are fully reduced. A lot of butter there. What we're gonna do now is transfer our onions and mushrooms to our bell pepper. So what we're gonna do is, just like this, slowly, easily, add a little filling to each bell pepper. That way they all get nice and filled, and everybody gets a little love. Just like that. And then when we're done with all our filling, right on top, we're gonna add our cheese, just like that. And then what we'll do is we'll take our butter and nice and easily add it on top of our cheese. We give it a nice little golden color, and we're done. Now we're gonna take these and put them in the oven for about 10 minutes. As you can see, our bell peppers are nice and done, looking beautiful. Go ahead and garnish it one good time. A little bit of cheese on top, just to get that love in there. And there you go. A well-made, beautiful bell pepper Duxelles. I'm Grumpy, and this has been another episode of Grumpy's Outlaw Kitchen. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Let your friends know about me.